Yeah, good evening, guys. Good evening, my viewers. Good evening, to all my subscribers. Um, I really want to appreciate your time, your efforts, your presence for being in my channel, watching, listening to all the videos, and learning one or two tips so far. It's so good to be here once again. This is the same $100 challenge that I dropped previously. I made a short video of this yesterday, and I just want to conclude or tell you that I just concluded day 6. This is day 6. Day 6 of this challenge has just been concluded. Okay, here is day 6. Here is day 6. Okay, this is supposed to be 299 USD. I just rounded up the 6. So here is my account balance for day 6. Okay, here is what I have for day 6, and we're proceeding to day 7. Here is it. Still running. I just took position on 1000 and trying to see if I can gather it up, but that is it for day 6. We are going to day 7, so I want you to take advantage of this event. Make yourself a millionaire. You can do it. Don't allow people push you. Don't allow stress. Don't allow circumstances of life put you where you cannot come out. This is just something you can do for yourself and turn $100 into thousands of dollars in 31 days. It does not necessarily mean that you have to run the 31 days at a go. You can give space when you are very busy with other events. You can pause a while and continue when you are less busy, so that you will do this with ease, without stress and without struggle. Okay, so this is my day 6. You guys saw my equity, and this is day 6 already. Sorry, let me go back a bit. This is day 6. Look at day 6. This is day 6. 249, and I'm closing with 299. I'm closing with 299 here, and my profit for today is 50. But what I have, my profit for today is 50 USD. Okay, my profit for today is 50. So my profit for day 7 will be 60. So that's my target for day 7. I'll be pursuing 60. Day 8 will be 72. Day 9 will be 86. Day 10 will be 103. Day 11 will be this, 12 down until I get to 31 days. Is a journey I'm embarking on, and I hope to finish this fair and square, safe and sound. I hope to finish this well. At least it will be a testimony that people will see and say, oh, this thing can really work. So many people believe one cannot make or generate money on the internet. So many persons believe anything about the internet is a scam. I just want to prove to you guys that no, we can still do it. 1 or 2 persons, you can still embark on this journey and make this work. Even if you cannot make the whole 31 days, at least try and push further. I just want to break a good news to you that even while making the video, I just saw my equity rise up. My equity just receive a boost of 6 USD. Boom 1000 is doing well. I think I'm enjoying Boom 1000. It's really giving me the goose pimples. You understand? Boom 1000 is doing well, and I'm really appreciating the markets because it is working to my favor. Like I said, I have a VIP group. If you want to join that VIP, give me a buzz with a little token. Nothing is free these days. I will not say it off air. I will say it here that with a little boost, because I make these videos, I publish it online, I buy data and stuff like that. So at least I need to get 1 or 2, you understand. So you can join me on my VIP section. I give signals there. If you want to get my signals, just inbox me. I will direct you or give you a link where you can join my VIP. You get good signals for the day, good profitable signals that will really help you to grow your equity. And this can really take you through the 31 days journey. You make good profit with a good lot size. You make good profit. As you can see, while making the video, I saw that boom, 1000 is going to do something, so I just had to take one position and observe the trend. And yes, it's taking me to to a higher position, you understand. So I really want to appreciate you guys for watching my video. If this is your first time of being in my channel, please just do me a favor, hit the subscription button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button on your mobile device, on your so that whenever I make a video, you'll be the first to get the notification. Okay, and thank you very much, guys, for being here. To all my returning subscribers, I really want to thank you. I really want to appreciate you for everything you're doing. Don't worry, I have good and very informative information to share with you here on my YouTube channel. Just keep watching. This channel will help you to grow. It will help us to grow, with the technical analysis I'm bringing in. I will teach you a lot that has to do with technicality, how to study the chart and get the chart at the back of your palm, so you know when to buy and know when to sell, and trading boom and crash. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Remember, I love you guys for all you're doing. Thank you so much. And this challenge continue. I'm pushing to day 7. I'm on 29. Day 7 will be 358. That will be the result for day 7. So I'm pushing for day 7. Okay, my profit for the day will be 60 USD. So I'm pushing for that. So see you guys in my next video, and I hope to publish my day 7 results so that we can push for day 8. I love you all. I love you guys. Bye bye for now.